guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very exciting video. If you guys have been following me for a while or even the last 6 months, then you'll know I've had a journey with my hair ever since giving birth. It's just totally changed. I've had a lot of hair loss, it's become extremely dry, and you know, being a blonde, getting so many highlights hasn't really helped that situation. So recently I decided to go a little bit more of a natural color. It probably will fade, hopefully, so it looks a little bit less dark, but I did dye my hair. And I have been using some amazing products, and this, my friend, is the result in like the last 3 weeks. Major progress on my hair. I'm starting to love it again. It's looking healthy and thick and just amazing. I want to say a massive thank you to Mirenesse for sponsoring this video. You guys are going to be obsessed with this hair mask because I definitely am. Patty's wearing it at the moment. He loves it as well. Okay, don't give too much away. But yeah, I am so excited to talk to you guys and show you how this thing works and how you can take damaged, dry, and not so great hair to looking healthy and shiny and as if it was done at a salon. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so I would take a shower, but all of us sleeping upstairs, we don't want to wake her up, plus our showers aren't very nice, so I'm just going to wash my hair in the sink here. So I'm just going to quickly shampoo and then I'll be right back.
Things that you can have, you for me, and I push back. Your voice can be so loud when you tell me to stay down.
Okay, so I have shampooed my hair, and to use this mask, you just need to dry it a little bit. So I've wrung out most of the water in my hair, but I also am letting the towel ever so slightly dry it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take this off. You don't want it to be fully dry. Ooh, that's a good look. All right, so this is the star of the show. It's the Mirenesse Thermal Hair and Repair Mask. As you guys know, ever since having Olive, my hair just hasn't been the same, and I feel like I've been nonstop complaining about it, so I've decided to make a difference by like really spending time on, you know, making it better, using great products to make it healthier, and also I decided to take my hair a little bit more of my natural color so that I don't have to dye it for hopefully a year. Don't know if I'll last that long, but that's the plan. So this is definitely one of the most interesting hair masks I've ever used. Normally I just use like a cream one in my hair in the shower for like a couple of minutes, but this one just seems like super cool and professional. Look how fun that is. It's like a swim cap. Was anybody else a swimmer growing up? Remind you of your head caps. What is it called? A swim cap? No, it's called something else.
Swim cap.
No. Oh, why can't I think of the name? Anyways, definitely a lot bigger, but I do have a big head. So looks like this. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it smells so. Oh, Spotty, come smell this.
That smells good.
Really good, hey?
Really good, yeah.
Yeah, okay, so there's all the mask components inside. I'm gonna first of all put most of my hair up so it makes it easier to contain it all. I'm gonna grab all my hair, making sure the ends are exposed because I always find my ends are the most dry and just bleh. So I really wanna make sure that the mask really soaks those bad boys up. Pop this over your head just like a cap. You know what I look like? A synchronized swimmer. That's what it is. All my swimming dreams.
They always have their makeup on.
Do they? Yeah, they do always have their makeup on. I feel like this is like a 2-in-1 tutorial, like a Halloween look as well. You could be a synchronized swimmer for Halloween and moisturize your hair. I do have quite a large head, so there's not a lot of room to make this tighter, but there is a little like tape band here to make this tighter so that it does stay on. So I'm gonna do that quickly. There's a little tab right here. So I'm just gonna peel that off. You can see it's like sticky. And then you just kind of adjust it to whatever feels comfortable. And then stick it right on, and this bad boy is going nowhere. All you do is just massage everything that's inside this mask all over your. Why are you laughing?
I'm just thinking, all you do is.
Am I yelling? I can't hear myself. This mask has so many great benefits in it. It boosts your hair growth and it strengthens your hair. That's definitely a win for me. Also, it fights against hair loss with every use, which definitely is very attractive to me since I lost a lot of hair after having olive. It also contains a bunch of great ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, and manuka honey, which is very nourishing for your hair and replenishes it and also makes it very shiny. Now you can leave this on for 5 to 20 minutes. It totally depends if you're in a rush or you just want to take some me time and relax. The other night, I think I had it on for just a little bit over 20 minutes because I had a face mask on, a glass of wine, this bad boy in, and I was just living my best life. You honestly like don't even notice this little thing is on. I don't know, I feel a little bit bougie having this, like I'm getting a professional treatment and I'm just at home. I totally just convinced Patty to put one of these on. Okay, you just need to shampoo your hair really quickly, lightly dry it with this, and then come show everyone. This looks like a costume.
It does.
Okay, I'm gonna do yours. So dry that bad boy off. You have a smaller head than me, so we're gonna have to.
How dare you?
You do though. I have a big head. Okay.
So
tell me when it feels comfortable.
Okay.
So you should feel it warming up a bit because it is a self-heating mask. Does it feel warm?
Feels like a salon hot oil chicken.
Feel it kind of warming up a wee bit?
Yeah. It's so nice.
Feels comfortable, eh?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's actually more comfortable than it looks.
Yeah. Perfect. That's you for 5 to 20 minutes.
Time.
Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Feel like that's a good enough time. I'm gonna go wash this out and then we'll be back to style it.
But it gets so hard when I'm up all night. I get sick and tired of hearing you. When I look at myself, all I see is you. All the things you said, they become my truth. But you decide the things I do.
Alrighty, nice freshly washed hair. I'm just gonna brush it through. So easy to brush through, love that. Normally my hair always takes forever to brush through because the ends are so dry and they just like kind of stop the brush from going any further. But this really just makes it super easy and I feel like I don't have a lot of hair in my brush after, you know what I mean? Now that my hair is nice and clean, brushed out, we're gonna move on to blow drying my hair and styling it just so you can see the full effect of what this mask really does to your hair just because the end result is incredible, just the shine, you're gonna see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry and style my hair.
Not gonna let you push, not gonna let you, oh, not gonna put me down no more. Not gonna be that girl, not gonna be.
A little tip if you feel like you don't have a lot of volume at your roots, I love to blow dry my hair with all of it basically all over my face just so that the root is kind of being lifted, so I kind of look like Cousin It at the moment, and then once I flip my hair back you'll see there is some instant natural looking volume, which is exactly what I want to achieve. So that's my hair just blow dried. I never wear my hair straight, you guys know that, but it just like it kind of is tempting to wear it straight now. I don't know, I just feel like I finally have like silkier, sleeker, more rich looking hair. Is that the term I'm looking for? I don't know. Like I kind of don't mind it straight. You guys know I love a curl in it and that's a typical Elanna hairstyle, so I kind of have to. But yeah, it just like, look at that shine already. So impressive. All right, let's go on to styling my hair. So how I always curl my hair is pretty simple. I like to split my hair in half. Always around my face, I like to curl away from my face. And then with the rest of the curls on this side, I'm gonna be curling it towards my face just because I feel like it hugs my face and it kind of gives my hair a little bit more fullness. I don't know, that's just what I think. And then I just do the exact same thing on the other side.
I'm not gonna let you push, not gonna let you, oh, not gonna put me down no more.
With the top section, we're kind of doing the same thing, but we're alternating the direction of the curl. So a couple strands are going to be facing toward my face and then a couple strands are going to be facing away from my face. Always when it comes to the front framing sections of my hair, I always curl away from my face just because I think it's the most flattering, but with all the rest you can kind of, you know, change it up and go different ways.
Not gonna let you push me.
this is my hair finished, curled, and I always love to brush through the curls just to make it more a wave and not so tight a curl. Just makes it look a little bit more natural and effortless. That's just how I like to kind of finish it off. Guys, look how shiny my hair is. I have no other products in my hair. It's just the mask, and it just created such a nice gloss on my hair. I feel like you can see more of the highlights coming through. My ends look fuller, just everything. Like, it looks like I honestly went to go get my hair done, blow dried, and also styled. So very impressed with this. Like, I don't think I've loved my hair so much in such a long time. Please try it out for yourself. There is an Instagram giveaway if you follow me, so make sure to check out my page because there is a chance to win some of these masks. So definitely get on that if you want to try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun. Patty's still rocking that hair mask. Looking good, babe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments down in the comments section. Also press the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.